Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Windows Sockets Initialization Failed in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to navigate to your button search bar and type for CMD. Again, type CMD and wait until a best match, which is command prompt system, would appear. Here you need to go with Run as Administrator. Simply click on it and have the click on it, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Proceed with yes so that you would be able to give permission on running this command prompt as administrator. So here you need to type to command, and the very first command text that you need to type is ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. Again, type for ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS, click on enter, and once it is being successfully flushed, the DNS resolver cached, proceed by typing net as such space winsock space reset. Again, type the second command, which is net as such space winsock space reset, click on enter. And here it states successfully reset the Winsock catalog. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to close this window and you need to restart your computer. So go with your start icon, click this power button icon and go with restart. Now there is a need to restart your computer in order to make any changes on the command that we have just typed earlier at our command prompt. Okay, the moment you have restarted it, there you go, you would be able to fix the problem. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.